And this is a follow-up video on making plastic gears. I got home. This is the original mixture that I started with, and the stuff that I bought at Hobby Lobby is still a rubber type material. This will not work for a plastic gear. This was the package I told you I got while I was in the military. It dried up hard. I don't have it cleaned up, but it will work for a plastic gear. This is the two-part epoxy that I put together from the tube. My last video, it is hardened up. I haven't got it cleaned up, but it will work for a plastic gear. So the stuff that I bought from Hobby Lobby was a waste of money, and I paid quite a bit of money for it. I should have bought just a little jar. The gear looks okay, but it's a rubber, and so it will not work for a gear because it is rubber and it will bend as the gear is turning. So my advice would be to get the two-part epoxy, and I think the container on this stuff right here that I got from Hobby Lobby said that it was for molds. I guess you put it together to create a mold. I guess it would work great for fishing lures, such as fishing worms, if you want to make yourself some rubber worms or rubber jigs. It would work great for that because it feels like a rubber worm. So the bottom line is get the two-part epoxy, and that would and use Play-Doh for your mold, and that will work for making plastic gears, I believe. I hope y'all like this video, and God bless.